can hear the call of the NARINA Trogon, so don't get tired. We are just about to see it. Let's go. The NARINA Trogon is one of my favorite birds. It's uncommon in forest and rich woodlands. It's normally found in perching on lower elevations. The mixture of bright colors makes this bird beautiful. It's such a gorgeous bird, as you can see there. The yellow-rumped Tinkerbird call is very distinctive. Just listen. Very beautiful, distinctive call of the Tinkerbird. The Ruppell's robin chat has a complex song that you cannot imitate. Just listen. I'm walking down the river to go and see the African dusky flycatcher drinking water down the river. So come with me. There are beautiful patterns of roots attached to the riverbank, as you can see here. There are very nice, beautiful patterns of roots stuck on the riverbank. As you can see, very nice patterns. They're stuck to stop soil erosion, and they really look very beautiful. And you can hear the calls and songs of birds. Actually, there's a Tinkerbird calling. You can see the nice and beautiful patterns of roots stuck on the wall of the riverbank. These roots are scattered all over the riverbank, making a very nice and beautiful pattern. You see this small cave just closer to me here. African dusky flycatcher drinking water down the river. This is the Mountain Wagtail. This wagtail seems to be lost, and I can hear the partner calling from a distance. This is the partner calling, you can hear. It's calling for its mate. You can see for yourself there, it's drinking water. It keeps on wagging its tail, jumping from rock to rock. Some of the beautiful forest butterflies. Got some beautiful dragonflies there. They've got incredible blue tails. These are some of the little beauties that you can find here at the Karura forest. We are approaching the waterfall. The mountain white-eye. The white eye is very distinctive there, as you can see there. Very wide white eye. Some of the birds that can be seen in the forest are the alete is a common bird that is normally found on forest, feeding on the ground. Black and white mannequin. Holub's weaver. To conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.